The cougar. In those days, when you heard the word cougar, your mind went to, lions, tigers, and the jaguar, the panther, members of the female family. These days, when you hear the word cougar, it's informally referring to an older woman who is seeking a sexual relationship with a young guy. And she's usually 40 years and above and dating a guy who is at least 10 years her junior. Unfortunately, I'll have to use the word cougar here to for ease of identification of the group that I'm referring to. If not, I do not see again why a woman has to be given a definition that is derogatory to her. What do you mean that an older woman who is a cougar is an older woman who is seeking a sexual relationship with a younger guy? But then when it comes to normal relationships, you just call them a relationship. There's not a word attached. The word is just girlfriend, boyfriend. But here, because she's older, it already puts her in a precarious situation, and that's what I want to talk to us today about. Why isn't an older woman free to love whoever she wants to love? Why do we chase older women back into the closet because a younger guy comes for them? These days, the younger guys are the ones following the older women, and I'm not talking of younger guys who are following the older women for pecuniary interests. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm also not talking about, yes, females who are with these guys for the hell of it, for the sex of it. No, I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about two people who decided or found each other and decided that, let's try and give this a shot. I like you, I love you, whatever emotions they're feeling for each other, and I want us, to try out this relationship thing. Why is it that it's always the woman who must take the flak? Even in the older woman, younger guy scenario, it's the woman who takes the flak. When are we going to stop this? Is there any definition of a man, an older man, who is going out with a young girl? In fact, it's the girl again in that situation that takes the flak. She's referred to as a gold digger. She's just waiting for the man to peck and all that. Not saying that might not be the situation, but I'm saying that nobody really looks at the man as a bad man. The only time that he's looked at as a bad man is probably if the girl is underage. That's when they now say, okay, see this pedophile. The women are more interested in the older women here. Age has been used also as another defining restrictive box for the woman. When she reaches a certain age, society just begins to remind her, look, my friend, your time has passed, your time will never come again, you've lost everything and all that. But it's really unfair, because at the time that women are made to feel that way, they still have a lot of years ahead of them. And the woman is struggling and always has to struggle to prove her worth as she's growing older. I don't know whether to say fortunately or unfortunately. Science has even made it much easier now. A lot of women who ordinarily nature would have dealt with, made everything fall, droop, drag, sag, everything and all that. Now science can make everything stand perky, and you would see older women looking, like they were in their 20s. So I don't know whether it's really a toss-up. But then looking at the relationship between an older woman and a younger guy in our society, it's really frowned upon. It's almost as if you committed an eternal sin. And there have been a few cases here where the guys have stood their ground and insisted that this is the woman they wanted to be with. The number one con of this issue is that she has most likely passed her childbearing age. But again, as I said, science to the rescue. And I just want to encourage the young guys here. There are a lot of older women out there that are single, never been married, never been had, or whatever it is that you're looking for. And they bring a world of difference. Remember that they're older, they're more mature, they've had experiences. She does most likely have a job and a career, and she can actually bring home all that to you. Already women are nurturing. This is too long.